Hey guys, today I introduce everyone wholly love dish, sushi roll.
Today I would like to introduce ehomaki, a type of roll sushi known as the directional roll within the sushi roll. It's a thick roll encompassing the meaning of inviting good fortune, contains 7 different ingredients. It's believed that by consuming this dish, one can achieve the happiness and have their wishes come true throughout the year.
I hope that enjoy ehomaki. Happiness will come to each and every one of you. To achieve that, let's make it together.
Introduce ingredients: rice, vinegar, sugar, red pickled ginger, Shiso ribs, cucumber, beef, eggs, crab sticks, and mayonnaise, Mirin, soy sauce, Nori seaweed. Now let's make the ehomaki of happiness. First, wash the rice. There may be dirt on the surface of the rice, so it's good to lightly wash it about 3 to 4 times. Then add the water. And cook it in the rice cooker. Now while waiting, let's prepare the fillings. Starting with the eggs. Crack the eggs. And add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then mix well. Sugar is difficult to mix, so be sure to mix it well until the sugar is no longer visible. Now let's cook the eggs. First, grease a frying pan and heat it over medium heat. Once heated, spread the oil evenly over the pan. Then add the eggs and mix well. Tilt the pan to spread and cook the eggs. Once spread, reduce the heat to low and wait for it to solidify a bit. When the edges start to solidify, and you can lift the pan. Tilt the pan backward and lower it from the front. You can use chopsticks or the spatula for this step. Use whichever is easier for you. Once rolled, cover with the lid. Turn off the heat and let it cook through with the residual heat. About 2 minutes should be enough. Once set, transfer to the plate. It's easier to cut the eggs when they are room temperature or slightly chilled, so you can leave them at room temperature or refrigerate them. Next, let's prepare the meat. Spread out the meat and cut it into the bite-sized pieces. It's best to use thinly sliced beef, as thick pieces may be difficult to roll in the nori seaweed. Once cut to about this size, it's ready. Then grease a frying pan and stir fry the beef over medium heat. Make sure to separate each slice while cooking. Cooking a meat in large chunks may result in uneven cooking, leaving the center raw. Once the beef is about 80% cooked, it's time to season it. Add mirin, followed by soy sauce. Then add sugar and mix well. This seasoning is similar to that used in gyudon or teriyaki dishes and give a delicious flavor. To allow the beef to absorb the flavors, simmer it gently over the low heat for about 2 minutes until the liquid reduces by about 80%. Cover the lid and set aside. Next, let's prepare the cucumber. Trim the end of the cucumber and rub the cut side together to remove bitterness. Rubbing the cut side together will release some bitterness, so rinse them off. Then cut the cucumber in the half lengthwise and then into the quarters. Using the slightly cucumber pieces, make it easier to roll in the nori seaweed. Next is shiso leaves. Simply wash and trim off the stems. If shiso leaves are not available, lettuce can be used as an alternative. Now that the tamagoyaki we made earlier has reached room temperature, so let's cut it. Slice it vertically into the strips, similar to the cucumber. Preparation of the filling is now complete. Now that the rice is cooked, let's fluff it up. Mix a freshly cooked rice and let it simmer for about additional 10 minutes to achieve a fluffier texture. While waiting, let's prepare the sushi vinegar to be added the rice. In container, mix 1 tablespoon of sugar with 4 tablespoons of vinegar until the sugar is completely dissolved. Then pour it over the rice that has been steamed for 10 minutes. It's recommended to mix it gently with the cutting motion to avoid crushing the rice. Now let's roll the ingredients. First, spread out a sheet of plastic wrap and place a nori seaweed on top. While a bamboo rolling mat is commonly used for this, rolling with just plastic wrap works fine too. So we will use only plastic wrap this time. Then spread the rice evenly over the nori seaweed. There are 3 key points here. Firstly, ensure the rice is evenly spread. Uneven rice will make rolling difficult. Secondly, use a moderate amount of rice. Too much rice will cause it to spill out when rolling. Lastly, leave gaps at the beginning and end of the rice layer. Just like before, without gaps, the rice will spill out at the end. Leaving a gap of about 2 to 3 cm is ideal. Now let's add the fillings. Start by arranging shiso leaves in the center. Place all fillings in the center. Next, add the mayonnaise. This mayo will harmonize with all fillings. Then arrange the beef in the center. Avoid adding too much liquid as it may cause the nori seaweed to tear. Add a little red pickled ginger, followed by cucumber and egg slices. Finally, break the crab stick in half and place them on top. Once the Shiso leaves and mayo are placed, the order of the rest of the filling is flexible, and it's okay to customize as desired. Now it's time to roll. While pressing down with your finger to keep the filling in place, lift the plastic wrap and roll it up. When reaching the end, be careful not to roll the plastic wrap into the sushi. Just roll the nori seaweed tightly around the fillings. Gently press down and shape it a bit. At this point, for a neat finish. Finally, round the end. And fold for at least 1 minute to set the shape. Now let's see what's inside. Wow, amazing! We've made a fantastic sushi roll! Finish!
So let's いただきます。
Today, let's enjoy it miso soup with a nameko mushroom and turnip. A perfect match rolled sushi. Here are ingredients for miso soup. Now let's dig into the rolled sushi. Look at the beautiful rolled sushi. Oh, the flavor of all 7 ingredients spread in my mouth, creating ultimate taste. While I introduce my top recommended ingredients this time, feel free to roll your favorite ingredients to make your own customized sushi roll. Give sushi rolling a try for yourself. Thank you for watching until the end. I'll introduce Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe this channel so you don't miss it. See you next time.